Hey guys, welcome back to the Kidz Science Corner. Today we have a brand new experiment for us to do, and I hope you all are ready for a really good experiment. I know it's been a long time since I've even done an experiment because I had the whole coronavirus school issue. I was doing homeschool, so yeah, but I still had a lot of work to do. But today I've got time to do another experiment, and this one is called the power of air. It's a really interesting one, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so first, what we need for this experiment is just a plain glass. You want it to be tall, like this one. It's okay if you don't have the same one, but just make it look tall. It can either be glass or steel. Sorry. And you can have a piece of paper. I wrote down, I love science, I love experiments, because I really do love those things. And you have to have you can either have a pitcher or a blender or any tall glass, really big glass like this, and fill it up with water, only like a whole bundle, but not up till here, just a little bit. Okay, so for now, let's get started. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our glass, take our paper, it's kind of crumpled, and we want to fold it like that. You want to fold it like that. Then you want to just push it inside and just do that until it's firmly stiff. Now what you want to do is you just want to carefully tip it over. Don't make it fall. And then just dunk it in there. The table's gonna drip a little with water. Whoa. Okay, now let's take it out because the table's literally dripping. Okay, now take it out. Dry your hands off. And take the little paper. Now you'll notice it's still not wet at all. Why is that? So remember when we dipped the water in? Maybe between the water and the glass, the paper and the water, there's lots of air. There's air trapped inside. So that's why we named it the power of air. And now let's see if we just do that and plainly dip it in the water. Yep. See how it's all wet? That's because there's air around. That's because the air is not trapped anymore. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching this experiment. It was a simple one, but that's all we have for now. And yeah, that's all. Bye for now.